Hey, what's going on, everybody? It's your favorite girl, Isis. Love you guys. And I want to show you guys something, right? You see this different colorful money that you see right here? Now, I know you guys hear me talk about the Forex market a lot, the foreign exchange market, and you're still trying to wrap your head around how it works. I want you to see I have money from London and I have money from Europe, right? So when I first got to this country, in order for me to buy things, I had to take my American money, give it to the teller, and she gave me back this money, guys. In a simple essence, that is the foreign exchange market. Now, I profited and lost profit from this because their money is worth more than our money. The great thing about it, you guys, is you can trade currency right from your cell phone without having to travel to different countries and be able to have the opportunity to make daily profit simply by participating in one of the largest financial markets there is. Oh, and I want you to know, you're already participating, because if you have a bank account and your money's just sitting there, guess what the banks do? Yes, they're trading your money on the Forex market. Definitely get with me right now. I'm down to 10 students. I'm only taking 10 students, you guys, around the world with me to travel and teach people about Forex. Peace.